This week we start off in Montana at the legendary Shiloh Sharps Rifle Company. Then we head down to Colorado for a tour of the beautiful Alpine Meadow Ranch.
So you hop on down to one of the ski areas, or you go down to the river and fish, you go down to Royal Gorge and do all of the activities that they have up there. And then you retreat to this pristine home. I'm Twyla Giroux with Hayden Outdoors, and we are in the middle of Fremont County, almost to the Park County line, on a beautiful ranch that borders thousands of acres of BLM with a beautiful custom-made home, very quiet, very secluded, pristine ground. You have views of 4 different mountain ranges here. And then you have a little peekaboo view of Pikes Peak.
I'm Don Watts. We're in the middle of Alpine Meadow Ranch, about 9,200 feet, about 30 minutes north of Canyon City, 10 minutes south of Guffey. We bought the property and closed on it in January of 2008. There was a total of 440 acres. We sold off a portion of it and kept 145 of it. We built the house originally in 2012. We finished it in 2015. It's about 4,681 feet, 5 baths, 3 bedrooms, gourmet kitchen. The whole upstairs of the home is about 1,300 feet, and that's all the master suite. There's a 12 by 36 foot deck off the back that overlooks all of the BLM, the Sangres, and the Collegiates. Very private, very pristine, very quiet up here. We have a big, large game room with a pool table in it. We have an office above it that has internet, telephone. You can get cell phone up here really well. $82 a month buys the phone and the internet. You can do all the download, high speed you want. You can download movies. It's, no limit on it. Really great service. And we're about the only area up here that in this ranch that gets it because we're the highest peak. My wife and I looked for 3 or 4 years, and we were looking for specific things on a piece of property. We're looking for rock outcroppings, we're looking for big views, particularly the 14,000 foot mountains. We're looking for rolling terrain, we're looking for flat terrain, we're looking for alpine meadows. We're looking for big pine, aspen, and fir, and this property has all of that. We have a lot of room. If you want to run cattle, want to have horses, you can do it. If you want to have dense forest, we have dense forest behind us. So we have really a little of everything up here. In the homestead, we have a spring down there with a cistern. We have all the BLM out there. You can hike for days. So really, it's just a wide range of wildlife. And BLM is 8,500 acres or so of property that can be hunted on as well. We have 3,000 feet of fence line that abuts the property to the BLM. So the hunting is really, really good up here, very good.
The thousands of acres to the west and the thousands of acres to the south, I don't have to worry about neighbors. However, I've met some of the neighbors up here, the ranchers up here, and they're just salt of the earth kind of people. So if you need help, you've got it, but they're not right in your backyard.
Anybody that buys this property is really going to get something unique.
For a private tour, call Twyla Giroux today at 719-371-4344.